In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads on Duolingo. We'll do this by turning on Super Duolingo, which removes ads so your lessons flow without interruptions. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and add a few helpful notes so you know what to expect along the way. First, open your browser and go to duolingo.com Learn. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want ads removed. Once you're on the Learn page, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Shop. This opens Duolingo's in-app store where subscriptions and add-ons are managed. On the Shop page, check the right side of the screen. You'll see a prompt that mentions ad blockers and a message that says something like support education with Super Duolingo and we'll remove ads for you. That's your confirmation that Super is the official ad-free experience. Go ahead and click Try Super for free to continue. You'll land on the plan selection screen. Here, click the Try for option associated with the plan you want. For an uninterrupted year of learning, select the 12-month option. If you want to cover multiple learners under one subscription, choose the family plan after selecting the annual option. When you're ready, click Start My Free 7 Days. Depending on your region or device, you may see a second confirmation. If so, click Start My Free 7 Days again to finalize the trial selection. Next, you'll be taken to the billing page. Enter your payment details to activate the free trial. You should see clear information about the price, the length of the trial, and when the first charge would occur if you keep the subscription. Ads are removed as soon as your trial starts, so you can jump back into lessons right away without pop-ups between exercises. A quick tip: note the renewal date shown on this page so you always know when your trial converts to a paid plan. Once your trial is active, return to your lessons and you'll notice the difference immediately. The learning path, practice sessions, and review screens run without ad interruptions. If you opted for the family plan, you can invite additional learners from your account settings so everyone enjoys the ad-free experience together. Remember, the subscription applies to the account you activated it on, and you can use that same account across devices to stay ad-free everywhere you learn. And that's it. By enabling Super Duolingo through the shop, you've effectively blocked ads on your Duolingo experience while supporting the platform's educational content. Enjoy the clean, focused study sessions.